Hello everyone, welcome you back for the biomimetics. Natural structures and the smart structures par excellence in as much as they are results in a continuous process of optimization over a millennium. The field of biomimetics is an intersection between the biology and as well as the engineering and a dedicated to understand the strategies with which the nature builds its structures and determining the extent to which some design principles may be incorporated in the design man-made structures. It is well known that most of the natural structures and also the principles where it is implemented in the creatures in the nature, it cannot be implemented in the man-made structures because of so many problems. Especially if you take an example of the cuticle is a one best example in which these comes under the category of the multifunctional. But the man-made structures or it may be the man-made materials, a multifunctional ability is very difficult. The prospectus of mimicking the biological synthesis and producing a man-made materials has generally appeared to be an impossible task. In the recent years, the some of the researchers and as well as the implementation has been taken, and it has become a revolutionary advances in our ability to probe a fabric materials down to their atomic structures, and in its processing control in the advanced material. The microstructures have fueled a renewed interest, uh, imitating a natural process and initially in the laboratory and ultimately at the industrial scales. See, the engineering and as well as the scientific communities have a fundamental role to play a new promising endeavor. The basic characteristics of the natural structures such as efficiency, precision, self-repairing and durability continues to a fascinating designers of an engineering structure. In any structures, the efficiency, the precision, self-repairing, and as well as the durability is maximum in the case of naturally or the nature created materials or the in the creatures. But the man-made creatures or in the man-made materials, the one what we can say the self-repair, it is not at all possible. See, the self-repair is a one example in which if you take an example of the tree or it may be our human body itself. In the tree, if there is any cut, or in the human body also if there is any cut, that it will heals and self-repair is possible. But if you take an example of any man-made materials, there the self-repairing is a very difficult. If this self-repairing, if it comes means there the fracture mechanics or the failure or what we can say the durability will also increases. The fracture concept, it won't be there at all. The aerial and acrobatic birds that eases with which the remarkable nibbling of the dragonfly moves and as well as a maneuver through the air, the precision with which the bat senses the pinpoint and as well as the capture its prey, and the meticulous manner in which the strong and as well as the tough shells of the molluscus assembles from a relatively a brittle material, and but a few examples of the marvelous biological engineering and manufacturing. See, in these examples, if you take an example of the dragonfly, it will balances in the air, or even the maneuver is also possible. These type of what we can say the multifunctionality and as well as the adaptability is totally a difficult in the man-made materials. In the case of the bat it senses a pinpoint for the capture of their prey, and even it identify its baby bats in a particular place by means of their voice or by means of signaling it. See, these what we can say these behavioral or it may be the multifunctional talent what it is there in the animals or in the creatures, these it cannot be implemented in the man-made materials. If you take an example of the molluscus are nothing but the seashell animals, or the very simple example or what we know is nothing but the snails. The snail, it consists of a very soft material over which a very hard material, which is nothing but a calcium carbonate. Even the design concepts what it has been implemented in the snail while constructing a very hard core substance, a shell, which is nothing but a protective material, that is a major fascinating and as well as a marvelous of the biological engineering and also manufacturing concepts where the nature has been implemented. These examples, among others, can serve as an excellent model for exploiting the steady and as well as the unsteady flow, controlling motion, and developing a superior material structural concepts appropriate to be a increasingly demand performance requirement of the flight vehicle of the next century. The important characteristics of the natural structures. See, the three basic important characteristics of the natural structure what we are discussing in the further sessions. There is no pretense that we can even being to cover all fascinating characteristics of the naturally evolved materials and as well as the structures. Our purpose is only to hint at ingenuity of the nature to examine a few selected features of the certain natural systems. The first thing what we are discussing is with respect to the multifunctionality. This characteristics appears to be a common feature of the most, if not all, biological systems and represents an ingenious design of the structures in which the individual components participate in more than one function. The nature accomplishes these through a integration of and balance among the material capability and structural functional and requirements. In the discussion of the anthropod cuticle identifies the principal function of the material, that of limiting a loss of water from the animal. The second thing is, in addition to the cuticle, it provides a supporting to the structure, protection against the environment, attachment location from the muzzle or for the muzzle, and optical reflectance for the camouflage and as well as the behavioral signaling. See, these are all the functional aspects what it is there in a one insect which is having a cuticle, which is nothing but a endoskeleton. This functionality, it is not at all possible to implement in a man-made material. It is well known that root of the plants and the trees not only anchor to the structure to the ground but also serves as a conduct to intake the water and transfers of the need nutrients. See, this is a one best example. So roots of the plant, it is not at all anchoring it, and it also supplies the water to the throughout stems or even at the particular place where the nutrients is required. The best example is nothing but the fruits. The water is supplied from the root up to the tip. Here also the concept what it has been implemented is nothing but a multifunctionality.